Hi guys, GoodGolf here, with another tutorial. This time I will take a look at AI. I will be recreating the Eliot AI Pro demo, but this time on a terrain with Navmesh. I will run the tutorial in the background as I continue this introduction. There are many ways to deal with your AI for your NPCs in your game in order to create some sort of an intelligent response. I can tell you there's no silver bullet, which does not require a significant amount of work. It doesn't matter whether you select an asset that does decision trees, like Eliot, or train your NPCs with reinforced learning. It takes effort to make your NPCs not appear dumb. Eliot takes the approach of decision trees. I'm showing the decision tree of the FPS soldier we'll use in the demo. The AI assets contain a variety of nodes which it will almost continuously check for the agents. You will basically string together series of nodes like can I see an enemy? And if yes, use skill to shoot at enemy. And if no, move towards enemy base. Other nodes include inventory related skills like picking up items and checking your NPC's health. It's the variety of these nodes which will determine the quality of the asset. Once you start working with it, you will basically be doing some sort of a visual programming by creating the decision tree for each type of NPC or level boss. Okay, enough introduction. Let's recreate the demo. The first thing I did was create a terrain and ensure navigation static is checked. Next, go to the Navigation tab and bake the Navmesh. I created a tiny Gaia terrain, and even that takes minutes to bake, so you need to be patient if you use this for a larger terrain. Once the Navmesh is ready, we're putting a blue and red cylinder into the terrain to represent the home base for the blue and red factions. Next we start creating the soldiers. Add the base agent prefab to the scene. This base agent contains a lot of the core code required to run the AI for this NPC. Then drag and drop the sci-fi soldier prefab on top of the graphics slot in the hierarchy. Tweak the graphics with the Align Graphics Position button. Now create a duplicate of the animation controller and add it to the soldier. Next we change the setting to assign this soldier to Team Blue, add the MOBA example attributes, which will allow you to assign a home base, the blue cylinder, and the enemy base, the red cylinder. Now comes the crucial part. We are adding the decision tree I've shown earlier in the video. It's the FPS Soldier Eliot AI. After that we add the shooting skill. The last part is duplicating a few soldiers and creating a set of soldiers which belong to the red team. This can be done easily by changing the team color and exchanging the home and enemy bases. Once we're done, we can run the game and you will see the NPCs first run towards the enemy base until they encounter enemies. Then it's shootout time. Okay, that's it for now. In the series so far we have covered basic terrain, VR, textures and splat mapping, vegetation, terrain to mesh, networking, pathfinding and the basics for AI. It feels time we need to check how Unity 2019 deals with the VR, so let me set up the Oculus Rift again and see if I can create an update video on it. If you liked the video, please click on the like and I'm off preparing for the next video.